Diagnostics of pathology in the lumbar and lumbosacral spine of dogs using plain radiography, myelography, and computed tomography. By Professor Dr. Denita Hadijunujovialagic and Professor Dr. Najra Hadimusi. The lumbar and lumbosacral spine of dogs are regions frequently affected by pathological conditions, including spondylosis, lumbosacral stenosis, malformations, and intervertebral disc herniations, which have a prevalence rate of approximately 15 to 20% in older dogs. These conditions can manifest as clinical signs such as pain, paresis or paralysis of the hind limbs, and other neurological deficits. Accurate diagnosis is critical for effective treatment, making imaging techniques indispensable in veterinary practice. This book explores the diagnostic potential of three key imaging modalities: plain radiography, myelography, and computed tomography (CT) in evaluating spinal pathologies in dogs. Plain radiography is beneficial as a foundational diagnostic tool for assessing the bony structures of the spine, offering an accessible and cost-effective initial assessment. However, it has limitations in visualizing soft tissue structures and specific spinal abnormalities. Myelography, which involves the use of contrast agents, addresses these limitations by enhancing visualization of the spinal cord and nerve roots, enabling precise localization of compression and impingement that may not be visible on plain radiographs alone. Computed tomography, both native and contrast-enhanced, complements the capabilities of the other techniques by providing high-resolution imaging for detailed assessment of both bone and soft tissues. Its ability to produce multiplanar and three-dimensional reconstructions allows for comprehensive visualization and accurate localization of spinal abnormalities, essential for surgical planning and intervention. While intervertebral disc disease, IVDD, remains the most prevalent and extensively studied spinal disorder, other conditions such as end plate-driven, facet-driven, and muscle-driven disorders have also been reported. End plate-driven disorders in dogs encompass conditions like discus spondylitis, fatty infiltration, dysplasia remodeling, osteochondrosis, and Schmerl's nodes. Despite the diagnostic value of these imaging techniques, challenges such as the risk associated with anesthesia in myelography and the cost of CT imaging persist. This book presents a comprehensive analysis of these modalities, discussing their strengths, limitations, and practical applications in diagnosing lumbar and lumbosacral spinal diseases in dogs. Accurate diagnosis not only guides appropriate treatment strategies but also improves prognosis, reduces unnecessary interventions, and enhances overall recovery outcomes. By integrating these techniques, veterinary professionals can maximize diagnostic accuracy. Each modality complements the others to provide a holistic view of spinal health. This integrated approach is critical for optimizing treatment outcomes and improving the quality of life for dogs affected by spinal conditions. For veterinary practitioners, this book serves as an essential resource, emphasizing the clinical implications of accurate diagnosis and the strategic use of advanced imaging techniques in everyday practice. By utilizing these tools effectively, veterinary professionals can make informed decisions that significantly impact the prognosis and recovery of their canine patients. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.